The City of Atwater, California is a growing community. That's why a new regional wastewater treatment plant was needed to provide municipal sewage service to the city and the surrounding area. City officials expected that the new facility would use 3 times more energy than the existing one, so they started to explore options to reduce energy costs and improve sustainability efforts. By using a power purchase agreement, the City of Atwater wanted to lower the electrical cost per kilowatt hour and reduce its overall energy costs. It selected Siemens as its partner.
We wanted to make sure we picked somebody that was going to be able not only to have the financing, but the technology. Somebody, it wasn't their first rodeo. Siemens definitely jumped off the chart on that one. Also, another thing that was good is Siemens said that they were going to work with our local vendors and make sure that as much as possible was spent here locally.
Yeah, when the city came to us originally, they wanted to build about a 1.1 megawatt system. And we looked at the options in the RFP, and we came up with about a 1.1 megawatt ground-mounted tracking system. It's an azimuth tracker, which means it goes from east in the morning to west in the afternoon. Each array has 20 panels on it, and it's strung together and running back to an inverter. It's a central inverter system.
The ground mount system was also chosen because part of the land is a former landfill site, so the installation put unused land to good use. And the array offsets about 40% of the power needed by the treatment plant. With a power purchase agreement, Siemens builds, owns, operates, and maintains this equipment for the City of Atwater. The city then purchases the solar energy from Siemens at a competitive price.
So many clients, their overall concern with solar is that it's a massive capital investment up front. And the power purchase agreement allows them to get the solar with absolutely no upfront cost to them. And what they're in turn getting is a lower rate for their electricity than what they would buy from the actual grid or the brown power.
So in a PPA, what it allows you to do is have someone like Siemens finance it for you, develop it, the technology, and build it, and you're able to reap the benefits of them doing it all, basically. All you have to do is sign the contract and accept the energy at a reduced rate. Some of the things that the city was able to cash in on is first the California Solar Initiative, which was a rebate from the state of California through PG&E, came out to be close to $250,000 for the city. So there was an automatic impact for the city that would go into the general fund. The second benefit is the long term, where we'll be buying electricity at a locked-in price. No matter how high it increases, our rates will stay the same over that 20-year period. And then the third thing is that we negotiated for the renewable energy credits. And once California goes into cap and trade, those will start paying off immensely.
Under this agreement, the city estimates that it will generate more than $1 million in cost savings and reduce CO2 emissions by 32,000 cubic tons over the life of the project. By all accounts, the project has been successful and the community has benefited.
We understand what's required to help a city get through a project like this, and we have the wherewithal and the financial backing and the experience to get them through it with the least amount of effort.
Really glad that we went with Siemens. I don't know if it would have got done if we would have gone with the cheapest, but we went with the most qualified, and I think that's what helped get the job done.